Okay, group, so we are on 2.3 notes. This is parallel lines cut by a transversal, and this is part 1 of parallel lines. So we will do parallel lines again here in a little bit. So we have some vocab here at the top. So parallel lines, you probably already know what these are, but parallel lines are lines that are in the same plane and they will never intersect. So if I took my two fingers, right, and I put those side by side, those would be considered parallel lines. So we're going to go ahead and pick out a set of parallel lines from our example. Line N and line M. Line M and line N are parallel lines. Transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines in a plane at different points. So since N and M are in the same plane, line R would be considered the transversal because it intersects both of those lines. Line R. And then corresponding angles are angles that lie on the same side of the transversal. So if our transversal is R, we want angles that are on the same side. So either over here on the right-hand side or over here on the left-hand side. And they're in corresponding positions. So what that means is that, say I have angle 7 here, okay? The angle that is corresponding to angle 7 is angle 2. So we would say angle 7 and angle 2 and angle 7. Let's go ahead and erase those. So corresponding same side and in corresponding positions. Alternate interior angles are non-adjacent interior angles that lie on the opposite side of the transversal. So if we took 8, okay, so let's first talk about our interior angles. Interior angles are 5, 8, 1, and 2. They're on the inside of the two parallel lines. So alternate interior are ones that are on opposite sides of the transversal. So 8 and 1, angle 8 and angle 1. Another set would be 5 and 2. Okay, let's talk about alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles are non-adjacent exterior angles that lie on the opposite side of the transversal. So now these are exterior, meaning our exterior angles are 6 and 7 and 3 and 4. So if we wanted alternate exterior, we could do angle 7 and angle 3, or you could do angle 6 and angle 4. All right, and same side interior angles. Same side interior angles are angles that are on the inside, right? So they're on the inside of those two parallel lines. So our interior angles in this example are 5, 8, 1, and 2. And they're on the same side of the transversal. So you could do 8 and 2. You could also do angle 5 and angle 1.